PDF files can be easily converted to Word even on your mobile phone. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to convert your PDF file to Word, you can choose a suitable web browser at first. Today I'll be using Chrome. For that, tap in Chrome, tap on the search type web address, enter here file converter, and then search for an article related to it. On the top you can see this online converter option. Tap on it. As you land on their home page, scroll down. Here you can see an option of PDF to Word. Tap on PDF to Word. Scroll down. Now you can choose files that you want to convert from PDF to Word. Tap and choose files. Tap on files and choose one from your gallery. I'm going to choose one just like this. You can see it's been uploading. Just wait for it. Now when it's completely uploaded, you can tap on start conversation on the left corner. As you do it, you can see that it's been processing. That means the process of being converting from PDF to Word is going on. So now what you can do is you can download it. You can download file as a zip, download it again. I am going to tap on download and then see the files if it has been really converted from PDF to Word. I'm going to open it. So you can see that it was PDF file that has been successfully converted from PDF to Word. Now you can edit it and use all of the functions that were previously present on Word. So this is it. This is how you convert PDF to Word on mobile phone. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.